We're going to show you how to take this and make it into this using this. The first thing you're gonna need to do is a kitchen shears and a lighter. Figure out where you would like it cut. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to finish the ends like this. And in order to do that, you're going to need a flame. So the one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to put the flame on for a very long time. Just a few seconds will work. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stamp it on here and hold it. Just get it a little bit. You can always do it again. Okay, let's try it one more time. Here's this. This is the point that you're going to do.